To dupe or not to dupe, we will be comparing Mr. Clean magic erasers to the generic eraser pad, which it even says on the box it's comparable to the magic erasers. Right off the bat, I'm gonna say Mr. Clean has so many more options, and the one thing I liked was the little grooves on the sides. When grabbing it with my hand, it just felt more natural. Don't forget, very important, to wet it in order to use it. In the middle, I use the kitchen magic eraser, which actually has inside of it, and on the left the dupe, and on the right the extra durable Mr. Clean. Clearly the middle won, so maybe we'll stick with Mr. Clean. But you let me know in the comments what you think and which one would you use. To dupe or not to dupe? Everybody loves Scrub Daddy, but did you know that Dollar Tree has a dupe? Not really sure what the craze is. Maybe it's the happy face, but I had to do a comparison for the Dollar Tree dupe. They have a couple different versions. One's a daddy, one's a mubby, and one's an eco-friendly one. Personally, my favorite one is the sponge because it just felt more natural to my hand. They also have a wand version for those who don't like to get their hands wet with soap. Now let's compare them. They both get soft in warm water and firm in cold water, and they both claim to be non-scratch. I had to test them side by side, squeezing them to see how much they would bend. I kind of noticed that the Dollar Tree version was a tad bit more firm. I also stuck both of them under cold water so we can see the firmness. Side by side, you can see they're pretty much the same. Then I used the warm water just to see how soft they got. As you can see, the same. The only difference is one has a happy face and one really doesn't. Now the cleaning version and how foamy do they get? I don't know about you, but to me, they both look like they lather up pretty much the same. They both clean the same, so for a $3 difference, I might stick with the dupe. Which one will you get?